Hello guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to use Seek Jobs app. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now you might be wondering, how do you use the Seek Jobs app here? So using it is fairly easy. So when you first open up the app here, you have three options. So you have the explore jobs, sign in, and register. Now if you just want to start exploring here on the app itself or the platform, you could choose explore jobs here. And again, you could go and just start searching for jobs. Like for example, if you want to search for a software developer job position, you go ahead and do that. But for now, let's go and go back to the main menu here, and let's go ahead and do a few things. Now, the sign in functionality here allows you to basically sign in into your account, or if you already have one. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you could go and click on register here. And the great thing about Seek Jobs here is this actually allows you to use one of your already existing account. So you could use your Google account, Facebook account, or even your Apple account here. Now you still have the option here to create your account manually, but in my case, maybe I want to use my Google account here. Let's go and choose our Google account that we want to use for the sign up. And from here, this will, in this case, ask you if you want to register a new account. So in this case, you go and click on register a new account. And from here, you just need to fill up some details. Now, the great thing about Seek Jobs here is this actually allows you to pre-fill your profile, or allows you to fill out some details that you could use for applying jobs. So if you go to profile at the bottom right here, this actually allows you to view some information about yourself. Now, in this case, you could go and verify your identity here to increase your chances of getting hired. You can also add a personal summary in your account, your career history, education. So Seek Jobs here, or the app itself, or your account here for Seek Jobs, is like a resume that you have online. So in this case, you could go, your account here for Seek Jobs is going to be used, or can be used, to apply for jobs here. So you don't need to manually submit or attach a resume. Your Seek Jobs account here is basically your resume. Now, you could also go ahead and change a few things here, set your visibility, and even if you want to add your name, your location, you could go and click on the very top here and add those details. Now, if you click on the gear icon at top right, this is where your settings is going to be. Now, if you want to change your notification settings, your country and language, your team, and if you want to get assistance, you can go and click on help and support. And even if you want to sign out, go and click on sign up. Now, in here, in the home tab, this is where you'll be able to start searching for jobs. Now, depending on what you need, you should be able to basically specify in here. Let's go and click on the start your job search here. And what you need to do is you just need to specify a few things. First is the keyword, what type of job you're looking for. So for example, we are looking for a software developer. And from here, let's go and choose this one. You could go ahead and choose a subword or city here. Like for example, we're looking for a job in Brisbane, QLD. From here, you could go and choose the work type here. So if either full-time, part-time, you could go ahead and specify that. So you can select multiple options here. Also have the remote options. So if you want to get a job on site, hybrid, or remote. Also have the income, you go ahead and specify that, and also any classifications, like for example, if you're in IT, construction, or whatever industry out there. But let's go and click on Seek here. Now from here, it's going to give you a different jobs that you could get or apply for. So in this case, you go and just scroll down a bit here and choose whatever job that you want to do. Like for example, let's go and choose this one. Now, from here, you should be able to see some details about this job here. So the pay for it, what's the position for it, and even a few things like what they're looking for, what's the qualification that you could basically you need to match here. But in this case, if you're good with the details here, obviously you need to read the whole thing here. You could either click on save here, which allows you to save this specific job posting for later reference, or in this case, you could go and click on quick apply if you want to. Now, quick apply allows you to apply for a job and basically use the already existing information on your account. So there are going to be some things that require you. Some companies still requires you to upload your own resume, also your cover letter. So if you don't want to include them, you can go ahead and do that. You also have the job details if you want to read those. But yeah, go ahead and click on continue here and just follow the on-screen steps that you'll be seeing. So go ahead and click on discard. Now, from here, we also have other tabs that we could access here. So just media, we have the recommended. Recommended section is a recommended section on your this case, your account, which in this case, depending on what details you've included, your previous search history, this is where they'll recommend jobs for you. So in this case, you should be able to see a number of recommended jobs for you. You could go ahead and view them, apply for them if you want to. By the way, if you see bookmark icon on it, you could go and click on it if you want to see that later on. So my activity here basically allows you to view what you've saved for, and even jobs that you've applied before. So yeah, so those are your basics here in order for you to start using the app itself. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you line up. Thank you for watching.